Musikante Petr Klimek en Dirksen is twee Kaapenaars. Daar is seker baie van ons Kaapse kykers wat hulle nog onthou hierdie groep. Hulle het onlangs hulle eerste musiekkontrak in die Nederlande ontvang en werk nou ook kliphard aan die eerste plaatopname in hierdie land. Die twee het reeds bekendheid in Nederland verwerf met hulle verhoog optredes wat ook die komposisies van Koos Du Plessis insluit. Johan Allers het hierdie twee Suid-Afrikaners van nader leer ken.
Twee Suid-Afrikaners maak musiek in die buiteland. Die Kaapenaars Petr Klimek en Dirksen, bekend as The Flood. Die twee kunstenaars is reeds die afgelope 8 maande in Nederland. En met die rooi motortjie deurkruis hulle die land van een suksesvolle optrede na die volgende. Dikwels kom hulle besige lewens eers in die vroeë oggendure tot stilstand.
It's cold. Have some nice hot coffee. What do you say? I'll make it. You'll make it? That's what I think.
Petr Klimek en Dirksen se gesamentlike musiekloopbaan is so wat 5 jaar gelede in Kaapstad gebore. En dit is juis in die mooie Kaap waar die twee jong musikante bekendheid verwerf het.
The winter being in Holland, what's it like?
Well, Johan, it's great. It's like following a dream. You know, you come out here.
So wat 3 jaar gelede het die kunstenaars ook die aandag van Suid-Afrika se grootste platenmaatskappye getrek nadat hulle tweede geëindig het in 'n land waar jy musiekkompetisie. Maar om die draai het Holland gewag.
It's the world. Our world is out here. Europe's all around you. It's close to England. It's in the middle of the international scene, and it's much more difficult to try and crack and do anything over here. But we basically said, no, we're going to do it, and we've been here for a year, and actually now we've got work for this coming year. So
yeah, on the boulevard. It's an old, beautiful boulevard. Lots of beach tents,
yeah,
little restaurants, you know, and
yeah.
Lovely, playing to topless old ladies sometimes. Fantastic.
You're losing sleep. Won't you go down with him tonight? Down to the sea that lights up your love. You better take all the chances that you got. Maybe 1 or 2 will light a fire for you in your cold heart.
You can come with a pocket full of dreams, but the people have heard them all before. You know, they've heard all your sorrows. There's so many musicians here. Competition's tough in Europe, and it's a tough one to crack, but it's going well.
It's just a country like any other country. Basically, people in Den Haag are more tight. They won't respond as quickly, but further to the south, like Maastricht, or where we've played slightly out of Den Haag, the response has been totally different again. So even though it's such a small land, there's still so many different feelings of people walking around.
Yes, it's very cold in Amsterdam, but at least you're bringing with you music all the way from South Africa.
You're right, Johan, it is very cold, but we have got the warmth of music always with us, you know, both our own music and...
En ook die muziek van Koos Du Plessis natuurlijk.
Oh, exactly.
Aanspreek hier voor die Nederlandse mensen.
Koos Du Plessis se musiek in die buiteland.
Ja, always goes down. Ek ken 'n ou liedjie van lewenswel en weer van lang vergaande skepe in die kellers van die see. Van zwervers sonder rigting, van soekers wat nooit vind. En eindelijk was allemaal maar net kinders van Steven.
Dit is twee Suid-Afrikaners, bekend as The Flood, wat Afrikaanse musiek hier in die Nederlande kom bekend maak. Koos Du Plessis se pragtige Kinders van die Wind hier op 'n lawaaierige Amsterdamse straat. Dis 'n bietjie koud buite. Kom ons gaan luister na The Flood se musiek.
Your line's so close to me. I can feel your body heat and say, come again. Then when I'm about to leave, you wanna know when next we'll meet, and I say, I will come again. And I say, I will come again and again and again and again and again. Nails and crosses, nails and feet. Is it victory or defeat when it says he will come again? Physically, emotionally.
And staying with the talented people, but this time, she's not a South African, but all of us know her well. Bette Midler sings every